Pop-ups interrupting your flow? Here are 5 quick ways to rein in those unruly and mildly irritating pop-ups in ArcGIS Pro. Look, it happens to all of us. You're making a map, you start panning and zooming around, checking out your glorious creation, validating your questionable label placement, and inevitably, you fire off some unintentional pop-ups. Now that's not terrible, but it can be distracting. And if your map is really busy, sometimes those pop-up queries can take some time to load. And that just ruins the flow of things. Not to mention this pop-up pane blocking your map. How's it going, folks? Welcome back to the CartoRedux channel. My name is Tommy. Let's get your pop-ups under control, shall we? First things first, dock your pop-up pane if you haven't done so already. Pro will remember it was docked even if you close it, so that the next time you fire off a pop-up, it's still docked and out of the way. Now, what if you want to fine-tune which layers will trigger a pop-up? You can use the Explore button to either show visible layers or topmost layers, but even then it's not always optimal. What if you want to keep all of your layers on and you still only want to show certain layers? Well, if you have a high pane threshold and you enjoy tediously clicking on all the layers in your table of contents, you can selectively disable pop-ups per layer. Just remember, if you do want pop-ups to work again, just make sure to re-enable pop-ups for that layer. Here's a fun alternative. You can go to the Explore button again, go to Selected in Contents, and any layer that is active in your table of contents will limit which pop-ups are triggered. My preference, though, is selection-based control. Go to the Explore button, choose Selectable Layers. Then switch your table of contents to the List by Selection tab. Here you can hold down the Control key and left-click to turn off or on layer selections. You can also hold down Alt and left-click and select a specific layer to only allow pop-ups for that layer. This has the same effect as right-clicking on the layer and choosing Make this the only selectable layer. Now remember, this also affects which layers are selectable. So if you can't select a feature, just remember that you did this and re-enable selections for that layer again. Finally, if you don't want any pop-ups at all, just turn them off. Go to the Explore button again, select No Pop-ups. Easy. Done. So there you have it, folks. There's 5 ways to get your pop-ups under control. That's going to do it for now. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon.